I want to spend a minute talking to you about the auditor site. Every county has an auditor site, and this auditor site is loaded with information. And whenever you hear us referencing the auditor site, this is exactly what we're talking about. And I'm going to show you how you can find your auditor site with a simple Google search. So in Cincinnati, we're in Hamilton County. So I just simply search Hamilton County Auditor, which has popped up, and it takes you to a page similar like this. Now, you're going to see lots of options. There's going to be lots and lots of things to choose from. The area that I want you to become really familiar with and spend the most time in is going to be property search, search a property. It might be listed as something different. Like, for example, we'll look at Claremont County Auditor, which is just a county right next to Cincinnati. I just did a simple Google search. It pops up at the top. Now I can see right here, real estate's an option, but let's just click into the main screen and see what we find. Now we're in here. Really, really clean, much cleaner than Hamilton County's. It's nice to see. And auditor's office, real estate. Let's click real estate, scroll down, and we can do property searches. Learn more. And it looks like right here, we can do a property search. We can search by owner, and which makes it really, really easy. We can search by address, parcel ID, search on a map. So many different ways to search, and we'll get into the different ways to search properties. But I just really want you to become familiar and understand your county's auditor page. Get it bookmarked, make sure it's accessible. You're going to find lots of awesome information in there, from taxes, square footage, property owner, transfers, and all of that information is really, really important. But go ahead right now at the end of this video, stop and find your county's auditor site and just play around with it. Type in your home address, type in your neighbors, type in whatever, but find it, get familiar with it, and let's bookmark our auditor site.